Yo, okay, that does not look anything like the picture, but in a good way. It's in a really good way, actually. We have a fully, like, kind of custom-looking keyboard, bro. That's so sick. It also has, like, some replacement keycaps, too, if you want to replace the blue here and make it pink, but I think the little blue highlights match, like, the keyboard cable. I'm gonna keep it. Oh, this, okay, I'm actually gonna use this. It's like a entire phone gimbal. This thing is really, really nice, though. All right, so it comes in some kind of a case. Dude, this thing is actually so sick, and it actually is like, I think I have to charge it or something, but it like it's fully like automatic and everything. It's like, I don't know, robotic or whatever. Dude, this, I'd have to obviously get used to it and play around with it, but bro, this thing would actually hold my phone so still.